In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to your Monday.com board. Let's make this process simple and straightforward so that you can seamlessly collaborate with others outside of your organization. Now, before we dive into the guest inviting specifics, there is a crucial first step you need to complete. You'll want to make sure that the board you're working on has been converted into a shareable board type. This is essential because only shareable boards have the capability to support guest access. If your board isn't already set as shareable, take a moment to change this in the board settings. Once you've confirmed that your board is shareable, you're ready to invite guests. Head to the top right corner of your screen and locate the Invite button. Give it a click. It'll open up the Invitations section where you can manage your board's participants. You'll notice a specific area within this section labeled Board Guests. This is where the magic happens. Now, focus on the search bar in this section. Here you'll see an option labeled Invite a new guest by email. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Take care to ensure the email is correct, as this is the point of contact for their invitation. After entering their email, go ahead and click on the Invite as Guest button. And just like that, you've sent an invitation. The person on the receiving end will get an email invite from Monday.com, which will include all the details they need to join your board. They'll simply need to check their inbox, open the invitation email, and follow the provided instructions. The invitee will be directed to create their own account on Monday.com if they don't already have one. This step is vital as it allows them access to your board and brings them into the Monday.com environment where collaboration can truly begin. Remind them to complete this step to ensure their smooth entry into your board. In essence, this entire process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it quick and easy for you to extend your collaborative efforts outside the confines of your existing Monday.com account members. By inviting guests, you can bring in freelancers, clients, or any external partners you need to work with without a hitch. And there you have it. That's all there is to inviting guests to your Monday.com board. With these steps, you can leverage Monday.com's robust collaboration features to their fullest, opening new avenues for teamwork and project management. So go ahead, invite those guests, and start collaborating more effectively today.